Following Prime Minister Narendra Modi's visit to the state on Monday, Minister Shuklachara Nuatia visited journalist Kamalkanti Tripura at the GV hospital. The journalist was allegedly assaulted on Sunday while on a reporting assignment in Hazamara, where a clash between political groups had taken place. The incident occurred during a BJP organized program for distributing clothing to women ahead of the Durga Puja festival. According to initial reports, a group of miscreants attacked the event, leaving several people injured, including BJP Janjati Morcha Vice President Mangal Dev Burma and journalist Kamalkanti Tripura. Minister Nuatia's visit to the hospital underscores the seriousness of the incident and the state government's concern for the well-being of the press. The assault on a journalist while performing his duty has been widely condemned.
दाबो प्राय 7टा बाजे दङ दिनै उदयपुर मातारबारिगो प्राइम मिनिस्टर ब मातारबारि मन्दिर अब इनोग्रेशन खालायफैयो अब प्रोग्राम पायै आरो जीबीओ फाइ सफायखा आरो फाइमाने कारण कांखाय कयेकदिन आं त्रिपुराबो गरै मिया सारिगनो आं गुवाहाटीनि सफायो आयंगो बडलेण्ड BTR ni election camping thangmane miaprono ang khanaka sini khoroksa tiprasane bisingo koktung thumnai ba sangbadik thaiga ba media sini takuk Kamalkanti Tripura bo aro Hazamara bo kaisa program ni bagai आरो बुदै न्यूज कवरेज खायनान बागै थांकना इनके आरो बरक थेमराम रकबाय अटैक खालायजाखा इनके लगे लगे नबो आरो जीबीओ हाय सफायजाक सारेक्टिबिओ कोनो खनावैनो दिनैबो जेहेतु ताबो जरामान खाबा हायहैनो बान सबै बन नायना हनै हाय सफायजाक आरो जीबी हस्पिटाल सो बबायबो मालायखा बिनि लगे सिनि आगेनि IPF ni kasama dong tabuk tabudai boro BJP khlai tongna kai bo bahino ara GB Roma Center no admit tongja kai Kamalkanti no naina hane khaimane karon media amkha boro khongkha sini society ni kaisa backbone hune mano sini dofani kaisa backbone borok ni bisingtino Iprasa jara koktung thumnai media borok ni bisingtino sini dofani borok sisabo borok ni bisingtino sini dofani borok guna kanini hoite koktung mano te kodri korni digiwa sini society ni bagai belai most important media rok borok ni jini bohok ni bagai samung tanglayo o jagabo rajnitik ni naisle laimungo kacharma jawa kalayai bo tini obahike ahot ongka serious tamahin injury ongka batabo doctor ni treatment ko cholai tongo angobono bono nainani bagai tebini poribar bai khaba sarna ni bagai haine wan sabai na phaimanita aro GB hospital
Bureau report Chini Khorang.